I was really busy, so that's why I didn't post that much videos. So this is a Firework stash 2016 and 2015. I meant, and I have 6 of Texas Pop Rockets. I have 6 of those right there. I got Roman Candle. I got a couple of crackling bombs. Crackling bombs in here. A couple of packs. I have jumping jacks by World Class at 25 cents. It was really cheap actually. These are actually kind of cool. They spin on the ground. Yeah, I got a Thunder Bomb by Boomer. That's 100 piece. And I think there's like a 50-gram cake. I'm not how much is pyrotechnics. It has 48 shots. This is the fuse right here. Just taped. And it's Coca-Cola 45. I know. And it's like, I have another one. And it's like June 16th near there. So I might get some more on July 4th. That's why I saved some. This is about World Class Saturn missiles. That's 25 shots. I'm missing 2 right here. I just now realized this is missing 2, and this is missing more. Got Mexican Firework right here, bottle rockets. Got Zinger. I got Mighty Crackers from World Class. Parachute, single parachute, a night type. Another little bottle rocket. Post in the comment section below if you know what this is. I know what it is. I can't tell you. This is a jumping jacks. We got a tank by World Class, I think, it's by Boomer. I mean, sorry. It's a tank with star and lighting stick. And I have some more bottle rockets from next to it. And a cañón or something like that. I don't know what they're called. I forgot. Got another one. These are Mexican fireworks. These are cebolitas. That's what they're called. I forgot what these are called. They're Mexican fireworks. And this was a bottle rocket, but it got destroyed. Wait, I don't know what that is. A Paloma. 2 more parking balls. By the way, these are like the bigger version of Solitas. These are the normal version. Here, I'll show you the difference. These have more powder in them than these. Sometimes these explode, the green one. The little ones explode. Actually explode pretty loud. But they're like sparks. And these are little cañones. Those are mediums, the gray ones. Just like that. I got another tank. Another Zinger. Another bottle rocket. Some more Zingers. Two lighting sticks. That's pretty much it, but I got something bigger. This is like the final thing. And these were really cheap. They just gave me them cheap. This was $11.99, but girl gave me for $8. And they're artillery shells. And they were by powder keg. I don't know, but I never heard of brand that name. And open these. I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna put you down. They're artillery shells. This is the tube. Yeah, this is like the last one, guys, so see y'all next time. I'll see y'all next time. Okay, goodbye. And make sure to subscribe and thumbs up for this video. And yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.